Good morning from the Magic Kingdom. We are here on, I don't remember the date today, but it's the day before the hurricane's supposed to strike. Hurricane's supposed to strike Wednesday afternoon. We are here on Tuesday morning. It is also Halloween party night, meaning the crowds are usually going to be lower. So we're going to see what all we can get done today. It should be a pretty light day. We're looking at the wait times on the way over, and very few things are over a 10-15 minute wait. It is 9:50 in the morning, so the time could have a factor to do with it, but I don't know. We'll see. Should be a pretty good, pretty clean day. We are making our way over into Tomorrowland to hit Space Mountain right off the bat. Tron is at a standby queue, but it said a 45-minute, which, to be fair, for Tron is not bad at all, but we're not really wanting to, quote-unquote, waste that much time on it. So we'll head right into Space Mountain, enjoy that nice 5-minute queue. The crowds aren't bad, the weather isn't bad. It's not raining, which is great. So, yeah, we got a full party of 6, so we'll fit the rockets perfectly. I think it'll be pretty nice. The crowds are really interesting today. The next thing, everybody is hustling because they know they have a limited time. It's also a really cool vibe. People know that there's a hurricane coming, and so it almost feels like people are a lot more relaxed today. They understand to say, have fun before we all get locked in and stormed on and all that fun stuff. It's going to be a good vibe today. I'm really liking it so far. Like, look at this, is so empty. To be fair, it's Tomorrowland Speedway over there, so who's going there? But it's not bad at all. I love this. Absolutely wild. Nobody on either side. The park has been open for an hour, so there has been time for it to build up, but it just hasn't. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but it looks like the line stops right about in there. So we're just trekking right on through. They don't let you record on the ride, so wow, wild. The Space Mountain was a nice and easy 10-minute wait. We timed it, it was almost perfect. But the sun has actually come out. Again, I know it's that calm before the storm, but it is truly a beautiful day out here at Magic Kingdom. There's a lot of panic and worry about all the hurricanes coming through right now. But man, just, I don't know. You can do what you can to be able to relax and enjoy. There's enough time to be stressed later, but today, it's good to enjoy a beautiful day at Magic Kingdom. Low crowds. We're on our way over to Mine Train right now because it's only a 25-minute wait. It's like there's a line. Oh, there's a line to meet the Mad Hatter. How fun. Beautiful day out today. Alrighty, small change of plans. Mine Train jumped to a 50-minute wait while we were walking by it, so we decided to keep on going, and Mansion is currently at a 25-minute wait. I think the cast members are saying it might be a little closer to 30, but still not too bad at all. The sun has come out. It is just insane out here. I'm loving this.
There's an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Kill the lights, no flash photography or film.
We have wrapped up our time at Haunted Mansion. They yelled at me for recording, so I didn't record anymore. But we went on over to Harbor House, where they have a nice little upstairs seating area. Got a couple of tables, and we're just waiting on food now. But beautiful day out there. Lunch was very yummy. But now it is time to go see the Country Fair Musical Jamboree. A wild and woolly good time. Unknown quantity of minutes till showtime. Never done this before, or the new show at least, so I'm excited to check it out. So far it looks the same, except for over here with Berry Poppins. Wait, that's really cute. Big Al got little footprints. They got all their fan mails. Wait, this is really cute. I barely remember. Ha!
Now I've lived. Again, this down the Vine River. I just want to sit here.
Tear this out. They try to get shit going fast on it.
Oh my gosh! That goes down real far at the end there.
Not long enough to develop a strategy.
Jack Sparrow. Either awkward or drunk, not sure.
It's got to be a real risk of falling in.
Yeah.
It's rough on your knees.
Ages 2 to 12. Ah well. Wait, I thought I saw a slide. There is a slide. How do you get to the slide? Oh, it's not a slide, it's a tube. Huh.
I wonder when the last time they cleaned that inside of that's been.
I don't want to test it.
Come down, is it?
What?
Just a tube that's like
It's just a tube straight through.
big puddle.
A really big puddle.
One's not as long. A little long. That's
It's got a little bounce to it. Here they come. Ow. Hit my elbow. Oh, jeez.
Whoop, are they going into the caves?
Watch me step.
Yep.
The cave of wonder.
The cave of wonders.
Ooh, it's midnight. Oh, it's dark.
Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I don't.
This is tight.
Oh, I do not like this. Oh, I do not like this. Erica, Horror Nights broke us. I don't like this.
Just keep going straight. At least there's lights. We're almost out.
My backpack hardly fits.
I know, I keep walking on the wall. I see the light. We did it.
Thank you. It is a window. Do move.
Yes. Come back this way and then we'll go through the cave and then we'll do that after.
Change it last minute if they say, you know, Wednesday is safe. What do you think? Then I'll go map the team, know them. Yeah, I know, right? We're having a ton of fun. So seriously, we got 5 hours left now, so how long have we been here for? That what's been this is gonna be 3, 4. No, you're right.
A little bit of time has passed since the last video, but we were able to get the 1 o'clock virtual queue for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. It is currently 1:51, so it did not take us long at all to be able to get on through. The queue is just about out to the stairs there. It seems like it's going to be a really easy run down here. Very curious to see how long they'll be keeping the virtual queue for this, just seeing how smoothly it's going today. You go in. We got it. Alrighty, it was a very busy day here at Magic Kingdom. We got a lot in, but the Halloween party is starting up, so we're gonna make our way down Main Street, poke around a little bit, not too much more. So we go ahead and wrap it up and call it a good night here. So thank y'all very much for joining me on this journey. Have a great day out there. Quick little post note here. It is currently Tuesday, October 8th at 5:20 p.m. So just shy of 24 hours before all the hurricane is supposed to strike here. They still have the Halloween party going on. It's getting a bit windy, a little bit of rain. I'm getting a couple of speckles here, but it's not bad at all. You can definitely tell something is coming, but honestly, if it weren't for the media hyping it all up, it would just kind of look like a normal afternoon storm right now. So, beautiful day in the parks, always worth going right before a hurricane hits, as long as you are safe and prepared wherever you may be. And Disney is a really safe place to be. If you are staying on property and one comes through, there's no need to worry. They're gonna take incredible care of you. But for everybody else, if you're trying to plan a trip, it's a good time. Low waves, you just may or may not get wet some of the days.